In this video, we are going to see how we can lock the WhatsApp web with a password. That makes it more secure, especially if you're using WhatsApp web in office. You might leave the laptop idle for some time and you want to prevent WhatsApp web access. So what you can do is just go to the bottom where it says settings. Just go in here, just go to privacy, and down here, if we scroll down, we have this app lock option right at the bottom. Just click on here. And it says when enabled, you will need to enter password to unlock WhatsApp web. Notifications will not appear. When your laptop is locked, app lock will turn off when you log out. So let's enable this. And let's quickly enter the password. Make sure that it follows the same requirements. Just read all the essential things that we need to do to create a successful password and make sure it matches. Click OK. You can do the app lock. You can lock it after 1 minute, 15 minutes, or 1 hour. However you like. So here I have kept the option to lock app. Whenever you want to lock, just click on the three dots from the menu, just click on lock app and it will show the screen like this. Once you enter the password, only then you can get the access. And let me just close this and try this again, that if we reload this, do we get the access? No, we don't. So let's enter the password, click on unlock. And that's how we can prevent our WhatsApp web from unauthorized access by enabling a password or lock app feature. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.